Hey everyone, in this video I will be doing a field strip and reassembly of the Ruger 10-22 rifle, 22 long rifle, and the tools you're going to need is a screwdriver with a flathead on it. You're going to want to get a bit that fits nice and snug inside the screw head so you don't mess it up. And then you're also going to need a small punch. First step is remove the barrel band, which you'll do by unscrewing. I already loosened it. It just pulls right off. And then you're going to come back over here, put the rifle on its back, and go ahead and take out this screw, unscrew it, and then pull up and continue unscrewing until it comes out. Okay, and then you're going to put the safety in the middle like that, or else you can damage the stock. And then just lift up on the stock. There you go. Okay. My bolt pin always falls out, but you're going to punch that one out with your punch. And I just want to note that you push the pins out towards the charging handle, so push them out this way. Just push them out with your punch. And then you can take your trigger group out. And now to remove the bolt and the charging handle, so what you're going to do is pull back all the way, stick your finger under the bolt and just pry up. Kinda gotta wiggle it around and your bolt will come out. And then rotate your charging handle out to the side. And there you go. Your Ruger 10-22 is field strip for cleaning. You can also remove the barrel, which is fairly simple, by getting an Allen key, removing these two screws, and this little V block will come off, and then you simply just pull the barrel straight out. Okay, and I'll pause for the reassembly. Now it's time to reassemble the rifle. First thing you're going to put together is the bolt in with the charging handle. So you're going to put the charging handle in, and as you can see right here in the receiver, there's a little raised part with a notch cut into it for the end of the charging handle right here to go into. Let me do this so I don't block the camera. Try my best. And then you're just going to compress the spring all the way and push it down, and then get your bolt. This has got to line up right here, so you're going to drop it down as straight as you can, and you want to drop it down as straight as possible, or else you're going to struggle with it like I struggled with when I first started to take this thing apart. But try and drop it down as straight as you can, and it will just fall right into place. Next thing is the trigger assembly. Slide it in right here. Line up your pins, push them in, and then push your bolt pin in. Make sure you don't lose that. And then grab your stock. Make sure your safety is still in the middle. And drop your stock over. And then fit the action in the stock. Can be kind of stiff at points. There we go. The action's in the stock. Put your takedown screw back in. Takedown screw going in. Grab your screwdriver. Don't drop it. Tighten it up. Slip your barrel band over the barrel. Make that nice and snug. And the thing you're going to be careful about when tightening up the barrel band is to not nick it with the screwdriver. As you can see, I did right there. Just doesn't look as good. Now that you have the rifle back together, you should do a functions check. So cock it and dry fire it. Make sure the safety is off. Dry fire it. You can dry fire these. I made a video talking about can you dry fire a 22 rimfire. I'll link that in the description. And then hold down the trigger and cock it, and then release your finger slowly and listen for the trigger to reset. There you go. And that was the field strip and reassembly of the Ruger 1022 rifle. Thanks for watching, you guys.